Hello friends, this is Abhas. Welcome back to our channel Unity Square. Till now we have seen binary search tree. Now we will try to learn a variation of binary search tree, that is AVL tree. So in this video we will try to learn AVL tree. So let's start. Now let's see AVL tree. So here AVL represents the name of three scientists. First one was Adelson, second Velsky, and third was Landis. It is also called height balanced binary search tree. So it is a type of binary search tree. But if we have binary search tree, then what is the requirement of AVL tree? So first we will try to understand what is the requirement of AVL tree and what are the problems in binary search tree. So I will take few examples. Suppose we have one binary search tree like 10, 8, 7 and 5. This is a binary search tree. Suppose I want to find the 5. In binary search tree, I want to find that whether 5 exists or not. So I need to traverse the whole tree from the root. First I will check 10, then I will go to the left, then again left, and then again left. So I need to search whole tree. Similarly, suppose we have tree like 10, 15, 20 and 30. Now I want to find 30, whether 30 is present in this or not. So I need to traverse whole tree again. First I will check 10, then I will compare from my elements. So I need to go on the right hand side, again right hand side, and again right hand side. In both of the cases I need to traverse whole tree. So searching an element in the worst case will be order of n time. So this is the problem with the binary search tree, that in the worst case we have to search all the elements. So the worst case time complexity will be order of n, and this type of tree will be called left skewed binary search tree, and this will be right skewed binary search tree. Now we will see how we can resolve this problem with AVL tree. Before starting the AVL tree, first we should know what is balance factor and how we can find the balance factor, because in AVL tree in every node we have to find out the balance factor. So first we will see what is balance factor and how we can find the balance factor. So balance factor is left height minus right height. So we can write like left height minus right height. So it is the difference between left minus right height. Now with few examples we will understand how we can find this. So example, suppose we have single node 10. It is a binary search tree because it is a single node. Now if I want to find out the balance factor of this node, then I will find the left height minus right height. So for this node, left height is 0 and right height is also 0. So the balance factor is 0 for this node. Now again I will take one more example. Here I have one node 10 and after that 7. Now I will find out the balance factor of every node. So for this node, left height minus right height is 0. For this node, left height is 1 and right height is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So balance factor of this node is 1. Similarly, suppose I have one node 10, 7 and 20. Now we will find out the balance factor of each node. So for this node, balance factor will be 0 because there is no left and right height. And similarly, this node also don't have any left or right. So balance factor is 0. So now we will find the balance factor of this node. So left height is 1 and right height is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Now let's see one more example. Suppose I have a node 10, then 7, then 6, then I have 20, then 30, then I have 8 and 9. Now we will find the balance factor of each node. So for this node 6, the balance factor will be 0 because there is no left and right height. For the leaf node, balance factor will be 0. So this is also leaf node, this is also leaf node. For this node, balance factor will be 0 minus 1 will be minus 1 because there is no left and 1 right height. For this node, we will find the balance factor as 1 minus 1, 2. So will be minus 1. Now we will find the balance factor for 20. So for 20 there is no left and 1 right. So we can write 0 minus 1. So it will be minus 1. Now we will find the balance factor for 10. So left height will be 1, 2, 3 and right height is 1, 2. So it is 1. Now let's see AVL tree. So there are two properties. First one, it should be binary search tree. It should be binary search tree, BST. And second restriction is the balance factor should be in the range of -1, 0 or 1. If any tree satisfy both of these property, then we can call that tree as AVL tree. Now let's see few examples whether the given tree is AVL tree or not. So our example, suppose we have one tree like 10, 20 and 5. So now we need to check whether the given tree is AVL tree or not. So we will check both of these property. So first property is it should be binary search tree. So now let's check. So root node is 10 but the left is 20. So it is not a binary search tree because in the left the element should be lesser or equal. So it is not a binary search tree. Now let's find out the balance factor. So balance factor is 0, 0 and 0. But it is not a binary search tree. So it is not AVL tree. Now let's see one more example. Suppose we have 10, 5 and 20. Now we need to check. So for the leaf node, balance factor is 0. And for 10, the balance factor is 1 minus 1. It is also 0. So the balance factor of each node is 0, 0, 0. So both of the properties are satisfied. So it is a AVL tree. Now let's see one more example. Suppose I have 10, 8, 7 and here 20. So first we will check whether it is a AVL tree or not. So first we will check it is binary search tree or not. So root is 10, 20 is greater, this is fine. After that it is 10 and 8 is less than 10 and 7 is also less than 8. So it is a binary search tree. So first condition is satisfied. Now we will check the balance factor. So balance factor of leaf node is 0, 0 and the balance factor for 8 is 1 because 1 minus 0 is 1. And now balance factor for 10 is 1, 2, 2 minus 1. So it is 1. So for each node, balance factor is either 0 or 1. So it is a AVL tree. Now let's see one more example. Suppose I have one node 10, then 8, then 7, then 6. Here I have 20 and 30. Now I want to find the balance factor of each node. So balance factor of leaf nodes will be 0. Now for 7 the balance factor will be 1 because 1 minus 0. For 8 we will find the balance factor as 1, 2. So 2 minus 0. So the balance factor will be 2. And for this node the balance factor will be minus 1 because 0 minus 1. And balance factor for 10 will be 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So the balance factor of 8 is 2. So this is violating the second property because the balance factor is 2 which is not in the range of -1, 0 or 1. So it is not a AVL tree. Now we will start that how we can construct a AVL tree from scratch. Now while we are moving step by step, now if we are trying to create AVL tree, then we will encounter some problems of balance factor. So now let's see how we can find the problem and how we can solve those problems. So first problem will be LL problem. So now let's see what is LL problem. So I will take few example. Suppose I have one node 10. After that I want to insert 8. So till now it is a AVL tree because balance factor of 8 is 0 and balance factor of 10 is 1. So there is no problem. But suppose I want to insert 6. Now if I want to find the balance factor of each node, then it is 0, it is 1 and it is 2. So now it is not a AVL tree. So it is facing problem from here because the balance factor of 10 is 2. And now we will see how it is creating a problem. So from here we will start that it is making problem from left to left because there is a problem of left to left node. So it is called LL problem because left to left node is making a problem. So this problem is known as LL problem, left to left. Now we have to solve this problem. So to solve this problem we need rotations. So we will rotate this head this root node to right. So we will make one right rotation. Now we will fix this node same and we will rotate the root node. So it will be like 8 and we will rotate this 10 and 6 will be left child of 8. So now again we will check all the properties. So it is a binary search tree because 8 is root and 10 is greater and on the right hand side and 6 is on left hand side and 6 is small than 8. So it is a binary search tree. Now we will check the balance factor. So balance factor is 0, 0 and 0. So now this is a AVL tree and we have seen what is LL problem and how we can solve the LL problem. So LL problem we can solve by making one right rotation. Now let's see second problem, which is RR problem. Now I will take one example. Suppose we have one node 10. After that I want to insert 20. So till now it is a AVL tree because balance factor of 20 is 0 and balance factor of 10 is -1 and it is a binary search tree also. But suppose I want to insert 30. So 30 will be on the left hand side or right hand side. Now we will check the balance factor. So balance factor will be 0, -1 and -2. So now the balance factor of 10 is -2. So which is violating our condition. So we will make some rotation. So here we will make one left rotation. So we will fix this node and we will rotate the root node. So now our new root will be 20 and we will rotate 10 to the left hand side and 30 will be here. Now the balance factor is 0, 0 and 0 and it is a binary search tree also. So this is our AVL tree also. So it is called RR problem. If right to right node is making a problem, then we need to make a left rotation. So it is RR problem and it is the solution of RR problem. Now let's see another problem, which is LR problem. Now I will take one more example. Suppose I have one node 10. After that I have 6. So till now it is a AVL tree because the balance factor of 10 is 1 and balance factor of 6 is 0. But suppose I want to insert 8. So 8 will be on the right hand side of 6 because 8 is less than 10 and greater than 6. Now we will check the balance factor. So balance factor of 8 is 0, and 6, for 6 the balance factor is now -1, and for 10 the balance factor is 1, 2, because there is no right element. So now again it is violating our condition, because the balance factor of 10 is 2 and it should be 0, 1 or -1. So we will check what are the nodes making problems. So it is on left, then right. So it is called LR, left to right. So it is called LR problem. So now let's see how we can solve this. So to solve this type of problem, we need two steps. So in first step, we required one left rotation. So we will make a left rotation. So we will fix this node and we will rotate 8 to the left hand side like this. So 10 will be as it is. After that 10 we will rotate to left hand side. So 8 will be our new node and 6 will be downwards. Now again we will check that now it is LL problem, because left to left is making problem. So now we have converted our problem to LL problem, and we have already know that how we can solve LL problem. So our second move will be one right rotation. So we will rotate right. So our 10 will be, 8 will be our new root, because we will fix 8 and we will rotate 10, and 6 will be here. Now the balance factor is 0, 0 and 0. So, and it is a binary search tree also. So it is AVL tree. Now we have already seen that what is LR problem and how we can solve the LR problem. So to solve LR problem, we need two steps. First, we need one left rotation. After that, we need one right rotation. Now let's see one more problem, that is RL problem. So now let's take one example. Suppose our first node is 10. After that, we need to insert 20. So till now we have no problem, because the balance factor of this node is 0 and the balance factor of this node is -1. So this is ABL tree, and it is a binary search tree. So it is a ABL tree also. After that, suppose we want to insert 25. So 25 is greater than 10 and greater than 20. So we will not take 25, we will take 15. Otherwise it will be a RR problem only. So we will take 15. So 15 is greater than 10 and less than 20. So 15 will come here. Now we will check the balance factor. So balance factor of this node is 0. Balance factor of this node is 1. Balance factor of this node is 1, 2. So 0 minus 2 is -2. Now we have a problem because the balance factor is -2. Now we have to find out that what is the problem. So problem is on the right hand side, after that on the left hand side. So it is RL, right to left. So right to left is making the problem. So it is called RL problem. So in this case, first we need to make a right rotation. So first we will make a right rotation like this. So we will make 10 as the root node only. After that we will move 15 to upwards. So 20 will come down. So 15 will be here. After that 20. Now if you see, now it is RR problem. So we have converted this problem to RR problem by making a right rotation. Now again we need to make a left rotation. So we will make one left rotation. So we will fix this node and we will rotate the root node. So 15 will be our new root node. After that 10 will be here and 20 is here. Now if you see, this is a binary search tree and the balance factor of each node is 0. So it is AVL tree also. So there are 4 types of problem we have covered till now. LL problem, RR problem, LR problem, and RL problem. So these are the 4 problems while creating a AVL tree, and we have tried to solve all four of them. Now we will create a AVL tree from scratch. Now let's see an example to create a AVL tree. So we have to insert the nodes 21, 26, 30, 9, 14, 28, 18, 15 and 10 one by one. So first we will insert 21. So first we will insert the 21. So there is no problem because the balance factor is 0 and it is a binary search tree. So there is no problem. After that we need to insert 26. So 26 will be on the left side. Now we will check the balance factor. So balance factor of this node is 0 and this node is -1. So it is a AVL tree and we are satisfying the property of binary search tree also. After that we need to insert 30. So 30 is greater than 21 and greater than 26. So 30 will be here. Now again we will check. The balance factor is 0 for this node, -1 and -2. Now there is a problem. So we will start from here because the problem is starting from here only. So it is right to right. So it is RR problem. As we have already seen that how we can solve this problem. So we will make a left rotation. So after rotation it will be 26 will be here and we will rotate 21 to the downwards. And 30 is here. Now again if you see, this is a binary search tree because 26 is here and 21 is less than and on the left side and 30 is on the right side. And the balance factor of all the nodes are 0, 0 and 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we have inserted 30 also. Now we need to insert 9. So 9 is less than 26 and less than 21 also. So 9 will be here. Again we will check the balance factor. So balance factor of this node is 0. This node is 1. This node is 1, 2, minus 1. So it is 1 and for this node is 0. So currently it is a AVL tree. After that we need to insert 14. So 14 is less than 26, less than 21 but greater than 9. So 14 will be on the right side of 9. Now again we will check the balance factor. So balance factor of this node is 0, this node is -1 and this node is 2 and this node 1, 2, 3 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So for this node is 2 and this node is 0. So we will check that balance factor is not satisfying because balance factor is 2 on this node and 2 on this node. So we will check first which node is making the problem. So problem is starting from here only. After that here. So first we will solve this one. Now if I see here the left hand side node is making the problem. After that it is right. So it is LR problem. So it is LR problem. So as we have already seen how we can solve LR problem, we need 2 rotations. So first we will make a left rotation. So I will rotate this node like this. So after rotating it will be 26 at the root only, 30 will be here and after that 20 will come upwards. So 21. After that we will move forward 14 to upper. So 14 is here and 9 will be here. Now we will make a right rotation like this. So 26 is here, 30 is here, after that 14 is here and we will make a rotation like this to the right. So 21 will come downwards and 9 will come here. Now we will check the balance factor of each node. So balance factor of this node is 0, 0 and 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1, 2 minus 1 is 1 and 0. Now for this node the problem is already resolved by making the changes here only. So there is no need to change anything now.
So for LR problem, we have make one left rotation, after that one right rotation. So currently this is our AVL tree. Now we need to insert 28. So 28 is greater than 26 and less than 30. So less than 30 should be here. Now again we will check the balance factor. So balance factor of this node is remains same, 0 0 0, and for this node 1 2 1 2, so it should be 0, and after that for this node it should be 1 and it will be 0. So the balance factor is in the range of 0 1 or minus 1. So it is a AVL tree. After that we need to insert 18. So 18 is less than 26 but greater than 14 and less than 21. So it will be on the left hand side. Now we will check the balance factor. For this node 0, for this node 1, for this node minus 1 because 1 2 and 1, and for this node 1 2 3 and 1 2. So it will be now 1. Now for this node it will be remain same because 1. Okay, so here you can see currently it is a AVL tree because balance factor is 1 minus 1 or 0. After that we need to insert 15. So 15 is less than 26, greater than 14, less than 21 and less than 18. So 15 will come here. Now again we will check the balance factor. So balance factor, we will start balance factor from the leaf node always, as we have doing already. So 0, it is 1, and for this node it will be 2, and for this node 1 2 3, so it will be minus 2. It is minus 2. For this node 1 2 3 4 1 2, so it is 2, and this is same. Now we can see that this node is making problem. So problem is starting from this node onwards. So we will check that problem is on the left hand side and on again left hand side. So it is LL problem. So we will make one right rotation. So now let's do that. So 26 is our root node. After that 30 is here and 28 is here. Now 14 is here, 9 is here. Now we need to make a right rotation. So 18 will come upwards and 21 will come down. So here 18, here 21 and here 15. Now we will check the balance factor. So balance factor is 0 0 0 1 2, and this is minus 1. For this 0, for this 0, this is 1 1 2 3 1 2. So it is 1. Now it is a AVL tree. Now we need to insert our last node 10. So 10 is less than 26, less than 14 and greater than 9. So greater than 9 will be on the right hand side. So it is 10. Now we will check the balance factor. For this node minus 1, for this node, sorry, for this node it will be 0, for this node minus 1, for this node 1 2 1 2, so it will be 0. So for this node 0, for this node 0, this node 0, and for this node 1 2 3, or we can check height 1 2 3. So 3 minus 2, so it is 1 only, and it is 1 and it is 0. So our final AVL tree is this. Now I will rewrite this AVL tree neat and clean. 26, 14, 9, then 10, here 18, here 15, here 21, here 30, and here 28. So this is our final AVL tree. Now let's see the time complexity of AVL tree, because our main motive was to reduce the time complexity of binary search tree. So let's see the time complexity of AVL tree. So here the maximum height of this tree can be log n. So for finding any element will take maximum of order of log n time. So the time complexity of finding any element in an AVL tree will take order of log n time. In binary search tree, it was order of n because there can be two possibilities like left skewed binary search tree or right skewed binary search tree. But in AVL tree, whenever the tree is trying to skew, then we will make the rotations accordingly. So the time complexity will reduce because we are reducing the height. In this, maximum height can be log n. So the time complexity will be order of log n. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then please like, comment and share with your friends. And please subscribe our channel Unit Square.